To achieve the vision of shared prosperity through inclusive economic growth and meaningful job creation, now more than ever, government must lead, activate, empower, and build real partnerships. Here's how the partnership with families will work. Our government will ease your tax burden, but you must invest and spend wisely. Use the additional money to acquire a house for your family or improve the one you already have. Or buy Jamaican goods. This is how we will increase local demand in housing, manufacturing, and agriculture. This is how you can play a part in creating jobs while satisfying your well-being. Our government commits to creating the environment in which families can flourish and form communities of social mobility, from which every ghetto youth can be a star. We cannot be satisfied with things as they are. My dream is to fulfill your dream. We must create a Jamaica where there is hope and opportunity. All of this is possible. We must start now. Time for partnership. Time for action.
My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is to live my dream. Hear the most sign of me sleep when me same. Tell you my goal, my goal, my goal. All of my goal is to reach my goal. Live a happy life, put it on me headstone. Nobody no fi cry over me dead. Look at me now, when them treat me less than good. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. And me a tell you my life. When them used to go round me, go round. No one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. I take plane like JUTC. When you see me, it's on TV. Shows after shows after shows after shows. Tours after tours after tours after tours. When me name call, it's like roars after roars. Sweet melody and chorus after chorus. The black one door, me bust doors after doors after doors after doors after doors after doors. Look at me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now. Look at me now.